Hey, my name is Shweta, and I'm here to encourage you to take up coding and create some fun stuff. The primary goal for you children is to develop computational thinking skills. You're consuming too much internet time to become part of that and contribute. So you need to develop logical thinking, problem solving, and be creative and apply, and really have fun while creating projects that you and your friends enjoy. Projects meaningful to you and your friends, and use platforms that enable children to code quickly. You can focus on areas like coding up an animation story. And with this, you employ your creative expressions. You can come together as friends and do it, or you can do it just by yourself. You can do some amazing, intricate visual designs, which will help you to even uh, use your geometry and mathematics and stuff like trigonometry. You like playing games? You can build games and you can create interesting strategies. And all this is pretty complex code. So, how do you go about doing all this? So, let me introduce you to MIT's Media Lab, and they call themselves the Lifelong Kindergarten Group because their goal is to really foster playfully creative people who are constantly inventing new possibilities for themselves and their communities. So if you just Google in to for Scratch, and what you will be able to do is access the online platform scratch.mit.edu. This is how it looks like, and once you're there, there's a lot of stuff which you can create, learn, create, learn. Have fun and enjoy as you go on this journey.